Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing assets and a clean rig so nothing breaks. Open Roblox Studio, enable necessary beta features, and create or duplicate your character rig. Next, import PNG layers, a black iris base, separate Tomo images, a glow overlay, and a circular mask. This separation lets you animate parts independently. Once done, place textures in the Explorer under replicated storage or a folder so scripts can reference them. Make sure to name files clearly for later scripting. Now you assemble the layered eye system that makes the effect convincing. Add a billboard GUI or surface GUI attached to the head, then create image labels for base iris, each Tomo layer, and the glow mask. Stack them with Z-index and set default transparency. Once in place, write modular functions that tween transparency, image rect offset, and rotation for each layer so you can animate activation and eye movement. Also prepare a script-friendly API, functions like activate eyes, cycle Tomo, and reset eyes, so other scripts call them. Finish by scripting activation, polish, and testing so the Sharingan behaves reliably. In a local script tied to the player, listen for a keybind or UI button and call activate eyes. Then run Tomo cycles and subtle rotation tweens. Use tween service for smooth easing. Add particle emitters and a short sound for impact, but keep them client-side to avoid server lag. Finally, test in play solo and on a server. If layers don't show, make sure texture asset, ID, and GUI parent paths are correct, and Z-index or transparency values aren't hiding layers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.